Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today we are going to be exploring something that you don't always see on an x-ray. The invisible wounds of trauma.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, we often focus on the physical injuries, right? The broken bones, the cuts, the bruises.
Right.
But what about the scars that we can't see?
Yeah.
How do those impact someone's life long after the event itself? And that's really what we're here to uncover.
Yeah, and it's something that it's really important to talk about because they can be just as debilitating,
right?
If not more so than the physical injuries.
Absolutely.
And they often go unrecognized.
Yeah.
And untreated.
Right?
Which can have, really devastating consequences.
Yeah. For
sure. Individuals and for their families as well.
Absolutely. And to guide us through this complex world today, we have Mary Beth Kerstein.
Yes.
She is a legal nurse consultant with decades of experience analyzing medical records.
Wow.
So she's seen a lot, and she's brought some fascinating case studies with her.
That's great.
Involving pedestrian accidents, car crashes, and even a construction injury.
Really interesting mix of situations there.
It is, yeah.
You know what I find so interesting about her work is that
what's that?
She helps make these invisible wounds visible.
Yes.
Both for the medical professionals and in legal proceedings where it's crucial to understand, the full extent of the damage that someone has suffered.
Yeah, it's hard to put a dollar amount on some of these things.
It is, yeah.
So before we jump into those cases, let's kind of break down what we mean by invisible wounds.
Right.
Because it's a pretty broad term.
It is, think of it as the neuropsychological impact of trauma.
Okay.
These are the effects that you don't necessarily see on the outside.
Right.
But, they can significantly affect a person's thinking, their emotions, and their overall well-being.
Right.
And Mary Beth, kind of breaks these invisible wounds down into different categories.
Okay.
Like pain, psychological trauma, and cognitive impairment.